Hey guys, my name is Matt. I'm one of the owners of Street Fashion Engineering. Today I'm going to be talking about our new V2 door cards. This is going to be an installation video for the S13. Some of the key highlights are they're made out of ABS plastic, they're lighter than sheet metal, and they look really good. Let's go over the tools first. You are going to need a drill. It can either be corded or cordless. You're going to need some scissors to open up this packaging. You're going to need a rubber mallet to install some push pins, and if you need to remove them, you can use a pin removal tool, kind of like this one. You're going to need 2 hex bits, 3mm and 4mm. You can use Allen wrenches if you don't have bits. You're going to need a 10mm socket and an 8mm socket, and then a 12mm box wrench and a bit driver if you have hex bits. So with each set of hardware packs, you're going to be getting a drill bit. This drill bit will be used to enlarge some existing holes on the door to allow one of these rivet nuts to pass through. And we do include a Rivet Nut Installation tool to save you some money, save some time. Quick breakdown of how this works. You're going to take this full assembly. It's comprised of a bolt, washer, a nut, and another washer. You're going to install the rivet nut with the hollow side facing in. You're going to thread that in all the way. And this is going to be a visual representation of what it's going to look like inside of the door. So after the holes have been drilled, you're going to insert this into your door. Using a 12mm wrench, you're going to hold this nut. And using a 10mm socket and ratchet, you're going to go in here and you're going to tighten it down. And you'll see what happens to the rivet nut. The bolt is pulling the rivet nut inward, which will cause it to deform, mushroom, and it will start to clamp itself using those knurls into the door, so it won't spin while you tighten or remove bolts. For this installation, I would recommend using a 1/2" ratchet and a 10mm socket. That way you get some more leverage on it. So once fully installed, it'll look something like that. And in between that crushed section will be the sheet metal of the door. To remove the tool, once it's inside the door, it'll be firmly clamped in, so you'll be able to remove the screw without any issues. So let's talk about the holes that you're going to be drilling out. There's a total of 5 for each door. You have one here, 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 and here. These all need to be drilled out with the supplied drill bit in order for the rivet nuts to pass through. So these rivet nuts have already been installed, but the installation procedure was just as shown earlier. You're going to take the threaded rivet nut onto the assembly, slide it into the drilled hole, and once it's firmly held against the door, you can use a 12mm wrench to hold the nut, press against the door, and use the ratchet to draw the rivet nut into the door panel. Once it's ready to be installed, you're going to hold the 12mm wrench and remove the bolt. Once it's loosened, you can unthread it by hand. Once you've successfully installed all 5, you're ready to move on to the next step. Alright, next up, let's go ahead and install the window switch. So you're going to need 2 of the 5mm bolts and 2 of the 5mm nuts. You're going to install the switch in from the back side with the connection side facing the rear. Go ahead and slide this through. You're going to thread the screws through the panel and through the switch. You're going to use the supplied nuts to secure it from the back side. And using a 3mm hex, and then an 8mm socket and ratchet will help speed up this process. Once those have been tightened, we're going to install the nylon pull strap onto the door. grab your completed panel. You're going to connect the window switch cable. Slide the pull strap through the slot. A little bit of a tight fit, but it'll pass through. You're going to align the panel. Then using the push pins and a soft mallet, you're going to install the lowers. So you're going to use a soft rubber mallet to gently tap the push pins all the way in. And the push pins will secure the door from the bottom while we slide in the bolts and spacers onto the remaining 4 hole locations. But at this point you can already get an idea of what the panel is going to start to look like. So for these we have 3 screws. They're 6 millimeters, same size length. And we have one 6 millimeter that's 5 millimeters longer. This long screw is going to go on the top rear hole on the door. Alright, we're going to be starting from the bottom up. So we're going to tackle these 2 lower holes, and we're going to move up to the top holes. You're going to grab the smallest nylon spacer, and it's going to get installed on this one. So what you're going to want to do is pass the bolt through, and then catch the spacer with the bolt, and then start the thread. Don't completely thread it into the rib nut, but go ahead and start it in the rib nut. Same thing goes for the front left. We're going to use one of the 3 matching screws, using a mid-length spacer this time. We're going to come over here and install it. And the last matching 6 millimeter is going to be used again with a mid-sized spacer. Thread it on the upper left hole. And the last long 6 millimeter screw is going to use the longest spacer on the top right hole. So it helps to slide the spacer in place first and then pass the bolt through. Once all screws have been started, you can start to snug them all down evenly. The spacers are there to prevent you from over-tightening and bowing the door panel. So as soon as you feel the screw stop, you can go ahead and stop. And that pretty much wraps up the installation. When it comes time, if you have the variant for a manual with speaker, without speaker, it's all basically the same. This covers the majority of the most difficult part of the installation. Installing the speakers is pretty straightforward. It's the same process as installing the power switch. You're just going to pass the bolt through, tighten the nuts on the back, put it on, connect the wires, and then complete the installation. But this is what it should look like when it's all done. Pull straps pass through, connector for the switch is installed. You have access to your locking and door release mechanism. And that's pretty much it.